How to change and add networks in Coinbase Wallet. Today I will show you how to change or add a custom network in Coinbase Wallet. First, open your Coinbase Wallet app, tap on the Assets tab. From your Assets page, look to the top right corner and tap the Settings gear icon. This will open up the main settings menu. Here you will see an option for networks. Go ahead and tap on that. You will now see a list of all the networks that Coinbase Wallet is already configured to support, like Ethereum, Base, and Polygon. If the network you want to use isn't on this list, you can add it manually. From the networks page, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. This will take you to the Add Custom Network screen. To add a new network, you'll need to find its specific details from its official website or documentation. You'll have to fill in the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol. Once you've entered all of that information correctly, you would simply tap the Add Network button at the bottom, and the new network will be saved and available for you to use in your wallet. And that's how you can manage and expand the network capabilities of your Coinbase wallet. If this guide was helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more.